Good evening everyone! Magandang gabi! Musta kayo? I have picked about 5 Tagalog words from our page last week, and that's what we're gonna do tonight for our Learn Tagalog. So, let's do some pronunciation review. Let's start. For our first word, we have fish, or sa Tagalog ay isda. 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 At next, kahit na, or even though. Even though, kahit na, halimbawa, mahal kita, kahit na, and then you say the word. Or, miss kita, kahit na, hindi mo ako miss. Or, sa English, I miss you even though you don't miss me. Miss kita, kahit na, hindi mo ako miss. Paki. Paki is the Tagalog version of please in English, and some pronounce the word Paki, and there's some that pronounce the word Pake. If you wanna say Pakiabot ng, that would mean, can you please give me the, or can you please hand me over the, and then you say the item. Pakiabot ng charger, or pakiabot ng cellphone ko, or pakiabot ng, and whatever the item is. If you wanna say Pakisabi, Pakisabi, sabi, that means, can you please tell, and then you give the person's name and your message. Example, or halimbawa, you visited a friend and the person who invited you wasn't available and you're about to go, and it's the wife that's in there, and you want to say, can you please tell, for example, the husband's name is Jhon, and you want to say, can you please tell Jhon I'm leaving, or can you please tell Jhon I have to go? Pakisabi kay Jhon, aalis na ako. Pakisabi kay Jhon, aalis na ako. Or, if you're with someone, pakisabi kay Jhon, aalis na kami. And our last Tagalog word for tonight is pahingi. Pahingi. And you can say pahingi if you're asking for food or items. Say, for example, you wanna say, can I have some oranges? Pahingi ng oranges. Or, it's your break time and you're having a snack with your friend and you wanna say, can I have some? Or, pahingi. Pahingi. Or, you wanna say, can I have paper? Pahingi ng papel. Pahingi. So, that's it for tonight. See you on the next video. Bye. Good night.